Hello guys, welcome to Dorine's channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Yes guys, today we are making a Zobo drink. Stay tuned. So I have a pineapple here with me. I just want to use this one pineapple. Guys, I forget to bring two so that I can make a good drink. But what we want here is just pineapple peels. I have other ingredients I've been using, so I have preserved them for this drink, guys. So stay tuned, guys. If you have not subscribed to Dorine's kitchen, guys, what are you waiting for? What are you still waiting for? You cannot support your girl here. So guys, as you can see in the video, I'm peeling the pineapple. So after peeling, don't worry about the sufuria you are seeing there. That sufuria is waiting for this drink. So guys, as you can see, I was peeling the pineapple. After that, I'm going to use the pineapple juice and pineapple peels. So guys, don't you ever throw these fruits peels. They are very good. They are very useful. You can make them, you can use them to make drink the way you want. Guys, now I want to cut them into small pieces. The one I will just make homemade drink. So after this, I will cut my pineapple into cubes and use a blender. As you can see in the picture, I've blended them. Now I am just going to use a sieve to sieve. You see that juice I'm getting? Yes, I added a little bit of water. So because I will add, if you like, you will add honey or you can add sugar. So I've just finished making my pineapple juice. So the next, as you can see in the video, guys, so these are the peels I was telling you. I have some different types of fruits inside here. Now I've added water. You can see the pineapple. You can see those things I've added. I was having oranges. I blended the first peels. I blended, then I preserved those peels. Then now there I just added some cloves, then rosemary. I did have some it was not rosemary. Sorry guys, it was hibiscus. I've forgotten. It was not rosemary, guys. Pardon me. So I've added hibiscus powder. If you have hibiscus, fresh hibiscus leaves, well and good, but for me now, I just use what I have in my kitchen. Guys, our drink is ready. You can see that color coming out. So guys, after that, let it cool down, then sieve it. Our Zobo drink is here, guys. This drink, it is the best drink I've ever drank. Guys, just try to make this drink at home. You will love it and you will come and thank me later. So guys, I decided to add my pineapple juice, as you can see in the video. After that, I mixed and I've added some honey there. So as you can see, there's the water. The drink was it was not cold, it was just warm. So I decided to keep in the fridge for some 1 hour so that I can get some fresh, as you can see the way it looks like in the picture, guys. I hope you will like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.